Hey, so you want to learn how to set up a test? I'll walk you through it. First off, just enter the URL or website link you want to test in the top bar. This will be the one we take a look at each time the test runs. Speaking of the test running, next you need to tell us how often you want that to happen, so select the check rate you'd like to use. Generally, we'd say the faster the better. After that, you want to set the location your test will run from. This is really important for accurate downtime detection. Generally, we'd say setting locations near where your website is hosted is the best bet. You can select an entire continent to keep the coverage wide, or a few specific locations that match your needs. Often, you only need to add a single location, which is most relevant to your site's visitors. Next, you can select the number of confirmations. This is how many times we will recheck your website when a downtime is detected. If you set it to 0, we'll alert you as soon as one is detected, and if you set it to 3, we're going to check the site is down 3 extra times before sending the alert. The last thing you need to configure to get this test up and running is the contact group. You can set up custom contact groups, but for now, we'll just use the default one, which already contains the email you signed up with. And you are done. Scroll down and create the test. If you have any questions on this process, or maybe some of the other options you see on this page, just reach out to our support team or check out our knowledge base.